like I told y'all, it's just 2 screws I should have to get off, which should be the screw for this one, and then the screw, y'all can see, for this one right here, this handle. So it's 2 handles I gotta get off. So I don't know, probably the easiest way is probably just to slide this seat up, slide that up like that, and then get the screws like that. I don't know if they're star heads or Phillips, and they stars. I see them. They stars, both of them. Well, this one is for sure. Yeah, I know SRT8 headrest. I was gonna undo the stitching of it, but I really don't care what nobody say about it. If I'm up badging or whatever, I really don't care. It looks good, and I'm keeping it on there. But I'm not gonna show y'all the rear of the car because y'all gotta go watch that video. But this is the seat cover, and like I said, passenger side because of the hose. So, yep. The only thing I think I'm gonna struggle with is figuring out how to get them little things off the top where the headrest goes in. So I gotta figure out how to get that off. But other than that, man, oop, I almost showed y'all. Them canards and the Hellcat diffuser. Y'all gotta go check that video out.
Bingo! I got action.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now y'all see the title thumbnail. We're gonna go ahead and replace the top of my passenger seat with the SRT8 seat. And now if y'all look at the headrest, SRT8, look at this one, SRT8. So I've already done these, and I was getting ready to, because I thought the seat cover that I had went to the driver's side, but I looked at it and remembered the holes are for the top part of the seat. So that one go to the passenger side, so we're gonna have to do the passenger first. I wanted to do the driver's side first because this is a seat I ride in, seat I sit in, but at least I'm able to look at it, you know what I'm saying, and it'll look good. So the first things we got to do, I'm not gonna clean none of this stuff right. As y'all can tell, these are still dirty. I'm not cleaning none of it right now until I get all the seat covers installed. Now I don't have the rears, but I do have the rest of both the front seats, you know what I'm saying. So I don't have the rears. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do for the rears. Maybe start checking eBay more, and if I can find some, I'll get them. If not, maybe just be SOL and just leave it how it is. Maybe I'll do a rear seat delete, since I don't nobody ride in the back seat anyways. My tools be there, so maybe I'll do a rear seat delete. That way my tools don't have to be in the seat and tear up the seats, and I can save them seats for later on or anything, you know what I'm saying. So maybe I'll do that, rear seat delete, and my tools just sit back there. And then if somebody want to ride, all I have is a front seat, so you can't get in the back. Simple as that, you know what I'm saying. I don't have kids, so I don't have to worry about putting no car seats or nothing in the back seat. Everybody can just ride in the front seat. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and install that in this video. I got somewhere I gotta be in a couple hours, so I gotta hurry this up. It should just be a few screws to get the seat adjuster off, you know what I'm saying. These are automatic, manual seats, not automatic. I don't have the buttons or nothing, so this is 06. So yeah, this is automatic seats. So we're gonna go ahead, pull the seat cover off, put the new seat cover on, and then rock out like that. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you need to turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together. And like I said, it should just be 2 screws, and then we gotta try and force it off and then put the new one on. So hope y'all enjoy it though, like I said, man. And transformation, this car is still underway, version 2.0, and I'm loving it, I'm enjoying it, I'm having fun, and it's coming out fantastic. If y'all haven't checked out the videos where I installed the rear diffuser and the canards, go check that video out now, you know what I'm saying, because those videos were heat, and the rear of this car looks so good. Now I'm not going to show y'all in this video because y'all need to go and watch them videos I already posted, so I'm not going to show y'all in this one. So this video, like I said, is dedicated to just this seat. I should be getting the other seat, the rest of the seat covers, Monday, so I'm gonna try to install them next weekend, so both the front seats will be done, and then we can go ahead and clean up the interior again, wash the exterior of the car. My fog light should be in as well by the end. My primer should be in, so I'm gonna re-prime them fenders, and then we're gonna prime the front bumper of this car, and then the front Euro clip of the Cutlass. So it's a lot I still got going on, and I'm starting school within the next 2 weeks. By the time y'all getting this, I done been starting school, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, I'm in grind mode, trying to stack up videos because school might take up a lot of my time, And go follow my TikTok. You know what I'm saying? I can go live on TikTok. I would go live on here, but I want to build my TikTok channel. So y'all go follow my TikTok and stay tuned for the live videos that's going on there. But other than that, man, let's get right into this video. I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright, y'all. So like I told y'all, it's just 2 screws I should have to get off, which should be the screw for this one, and then the screw, y'all can see, for this one right here, this handle. So it's 2 handles I gotta get off. So I don't know, probably the easiest way is probably just to slide this seat up, slide that up like that, and then get the screws like that. I don't know if they're star heads or Phillips, and they stars. I see them. They stars, both of them. Well, this one is for sure. This one is a star. Y'all can't tell, can you? Barely. Well, yeah, star. So yeah, and then y'all know SRT8 headrest. I was gonna undo the stitching of it, but I really don't care what nobody say about it. If I'm up badging or whatever, I really don't care. It looks good, and I'm keeping it on there. But I'm not gonna show y'all the rear of the car because y'all gotta go watch that video. But this is the seat cover, and like I said, passenger side because of the hose. So yep. The only thing I think I'm gonna struggle with is figuring out how to get them little things off the top where the headrest goes in. So I gotta figure out how to get that off. But other than that, man, oop, I almost showed y'all them canards and the hellcat diffuser. Y'all gotta go check that video out. But yeah, let me go ahead, sit y'all right here real quick so I can grab my tools, which is just my star heads. And let's get right into this video. So like I said, I'm gonna sit y'all here. Like I said, man, we gotta get these star heads out. So I don't know what star bit it is, what star size, but we're finna just try some and see which one it is. And actually I gotta scoot y'all up. Well, it don't go up no more. Trying to make this work. Too big or too little? Too little. Alright. Let me slide y'all down just a little bit so I don't try to put that address up there. Alright, got it. I think all I should have to take off is just this one. I'm hoping, because I really don't feel like taking off all of them. I mean, this whole little side piece, even though it's missing the screw already. Yep, missing the screw. So I gotta figure that out. And the other one is a Phillip. So 1 star, 1 Phillip. But got both the handles off now. Both of the handles. So step 1 complete. Step 2, trying to get this thing off. So I'm not gonna make y'all watch me do all this, because honestly I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do all of this in one shot of the video. Ouch, smack myself in the face. But headrest off, that's probably the easiest part. So now, like I told y'all, man, I gotta figure out how to get these off. And I wish I would have went live on TikTok today, but my phone will overheat because it's so hot, so I'm not gonna be able to do it today. But maybe I can just squeeze it over. No, it's gonna rip it. Or maybe there's some screw heads in there. What y'all think? Screw heads, Phillip. If I could see, let me grab my phone. Let me see. Yeah, I can't see. Dang it, bro. Dang it. I can't see. So I gotta figure that out. But the bottom part, it's hooked together. So I gotta try to unhook it, which it'll be easier if I go from the back and do it with the flathead. So it'll be a lot easier for me to just do it from the back. Pause. I'm sorry. I didn't realize what I was saying till after I had already said it. So let me go to the back of the car and try to get that undone. blackhead and try to pry it undone. Got it. Just like it. Hold that flat head there. So, got that undone. So now, it should come off. So, look at that. Just like that. So, let me go and finish this up, man, and I will come back to y'all once I'm finished. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do here. So yeah, I'll catch y'all once I'm done, and y'all just stay tuned because I'm trying not to rip it. But if I do, honestly, I don't care if I rip these, you feel me? But yeah, let me finish this up. I'm gonna put y'all on the charger and stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoy. All right, y'all, I'm finished. Now, not gonna lie to y'all, the fitment is a little wonky because, you feel me, them was meant for SRT seats or the RT seats, so it means them seats have more cushion in them. Mine don't have that much cushion, so I mean, I could order some extra cushion and just stuff it up in there, which most likely is what I'm gonna do. Just order some cushion, you feel me, to put in there and make it tighter, so it's not that tight, you feel me, because y'all know they different. It bulks up a little bit more here, bulks up a little more down here, so it ain't that tight. But this is the old one. Came off easy, you feel me? I didn't rip here or nothing, it just slid right off, so pretty easy. Like I said, I'm gonna have to add more cushion to the then I mean to show y'all the canards or the diffuser, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to add more cushion to the seats, which is fine, you feel me? I'm not too worried about it. But for the time being, we got it installed inside of the car, and it's in there. So let me go ahead and show y'all. Like I said, it's filthy and it needs more cushion, but other than that, that's why it looks so wrinkly, you know what I'm saying? So it needs literally just a little bit here, some up here, because SRT it's the racing car, so the seat hug you a little more than the OEM seats. But yeah, other than that, man, I really just need to clean this. And I know it's summertime and the heat is it's already got this hot. This is already hot, but it is what it is. That's why this part is here. So yeah, I got it on there and screwed everything back down, push that up. So yeah, make it look like it's a little more cushion in there, make it look a little tighter. So yeah, but other than that, man, I just gotta get the driver's side, get the bottom side, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to add more cushion to the bottom as well. It's probably gonna be like thicker here, but I need to change these out anyway because I ripped my seat here when I went to get my dad's air compressor. I had to put in the front seat, it ripped here, so I need to change these out anyways. But like I said, I don't mind it being a little wrinkly. It looked fine, you feel me, and it looked good. And now it got the full matching set. Now I just gotta get, like I said, the bottom. Now I don't know how hard or how easy this bottom is gonna be, but we will find out once we get them, you know what I'm saying? And I went ahead and tightened this down, so now I put a screw there, it ain't loose no more. So good to go. Now I just need to get that side done. So like I said, y'all leave y'all opinion, how y'all feel about it. I know it's loose, so like I said, I'm not worried about it. All I gotta do is just go get some cushion, undo the bottom, which I struggle getting that bottom done, but I'm gonna have to undo it, stuff some cushion up in here to make it tight, and it is what it is from there. This part should be fine, you know what I'm saying? The middle part should be fine. It's okay if it's a little loose here, but the sides, I need to add cushion on the sides because you push down on the back part, it's just sinking in. So yeah, I need to get some cushion. So I just order some seat cushion, seat foam, either one, you feel me? Order either one of them and pull this back off, do the foam, or I just leave this on and just stuff the cushion up to the top and then keep stuffing it till it takes its form. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look up some seat foam and seat cushion so I can put it up in there, and I'm gonna have to get it for both sides, and I'm pretty sure the bottom as well. I don't know, we'll figure it out though, but at least I got the seats in now. And like I said, once I get the driver's side, we're gonna put them in, and then the bottoms, we're gonna put them all in. So maybe I'll make 2 videos, finishing this one and then doing the whole driver's side, make 2 separate videos, and then we done. But like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinion in the comments, how y'all feel about it. I just need to clean it now. It needs to be clean, but other than that, I think it look good, you feel me? I mean, it needs a little more foam too, but I think it looks good, you feel me? And we're gonna be cleaning it once I get the whole seats done, both of them. But other than that, man, leave y'all opinion. Like I said, let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about it. I like it. I think it came out good. Version 2.0 of my car is coming out fantastic. And I was looking for the if I can find the armrest that got the fold out TV in it. I don't know if y'all know about that with the 6th gen Chargers, but they had the armrest with the TV fold out. I was looking for one, see if I can find one. Hopefully a black one, because I don't want to paint it. I want it to come black. But if I can't find it, I'm not gonna worry about it. There was just some extra, just because I remember seeing some of the like Chryslers and some of the 6th gen Chargers had it. So, but other than that, man, leave y'all opinion how y'all feel about it. With the SRT8 headrest, like I said, I got an iPhone, so don't worry about that. But other than that, man, I think it came out great. Didn't take me long. I thought it was gonna take me a really long time, but it was actually fairly quick. The only hard part was getting the bottom part to clamp back in. Like I can show y'all on this side, on this one. So the bottom parts clamp in, so that's all you do. You gotta, to take it off, you gotta unclamp it. You know what I'm saying? They clamp together like that. You gotta unhook it, I should say. They hook together. So the only hard part was hooking back up. Rear diffuser. Was hooking back up the back of this one. But this is what the back looked like. You know what I'm saying? Let the seat back up. This is what the back looked like. Looks pretty good. I like it. It's a little loose, but it's okay. Like I said, it's all right. And it looks mean like this, even though I don't have the cushion in. It looks aggressive, bro. And like I said, we just doing a makeover of this car, so I can't get it with one hand. But yeah, man, got that done. Like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments. I got y'all 1 second. All right, yeah, push it back. I like my seats riding back, so when I'm driving, so yeah. But other than that, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I told y'all, I know it's wrinkly. I know it's okay, you feel me? It's fine. It's perfectly fine. All I gotta do now is, dang it, bro, I was just starting on the project and it disappeared. So like I said, all I gotta do is just get some extra foam, stuff the foam up in there, or some, like just some regular cushion. Stuff the cushion up in there, and then we good to go. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Y'all hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. And you feel me, let me know how y'all feel about the seat. Like I said, I know it's wrinkly, it's fine, and with the sun heating like it is, you feel me, it'll take its for it. It'll loosen up the wrinkles a little bit. But like I said, all I gotta do is add some cushion or some foam, and it'll be fine. It'll be perfectly fine, you know what I'm saying? But I'm loving it, bro. I wish it was for the driver's side, but my dad should be back Monday, so he should be bringing me the driver's side and the bottom half of the passenger side. And I don't have the rear, so I'm gonna have to figure out something with the rear. But like I told y'all, I'm thinking I'm gonna just do a rear seat delete, and just leave my tools there. You feel me? I don't use the rear seats anyways. And when the seats were there, y'all remember I had wheels in the car from flipping wheels and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So the seats are literally, I have them for no reason. Really. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, is just doing a rear seat delete and just rock out like that. It depends. Actually, it depends on how much they cost. If they trying to charge $1,000 for literally just 2 metal plates, I'm not doing it. I'd make my own before I do that. You feel me? But I'm gonna leave that alone for now. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna take it day by day, step by step, and wait for parts to keep coming in. But other than that, hope y'all enjoyed, man. Make sure I hit the like button. Like I said, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos. Keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. Let me know how y'all feel about the SRT8 seat covers. And I gotta find some cushion. Other than that though, like I said, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.